Hello from Filings Corner. Increase your authorized capital. Legally, seamlessly, strategically planning to raise funds or restructure your shareholding? Increasing your company's authorized capital is a crucial step toward business growth, investor onboarding, and future scalability. At Filings Corner, we specialize in helping businesses increase their authorized capital in full compliance with the Companies Act 2013, ensuring that all MCA filings, resolutions, and approvals are managed efficiently. Why increase authorized capital? Business expansion. Launch new products, open new branches, or enter new markets. Raising investor funds. Issue fresh equity to investors or existing shareholders. Strengthening financial position. Reflect higher company valuation and capital strength. Regulatory compliance. Meet net worth requirements or capital adequacy norms. Step-by-step process. Increase of authorized capital 1. Board resolution. Convene a board meeting to approve the proposal and call an EGM 2 shareholder approval. Special resolution. Pass a special resolution at the general meeting. 3. Amendment to MOA. Update the capital clause in the Memorandum of Association for MCA filings. File the required forms with the Registrar of Companies. ROC 5. Share allotment. Optional. If new shares are issued, file Form PS3. Key MCA forms you need to file: Form Purpose Timeline, SH7, notify ROC of increased authorized capital within 30 days of resolution. MGT 14, file special resolution with ROC within 30 days of resolution. PAS 3, share allotment return, if shares are issued within 30 days of allotment. INC 28, tribunal order, if applicable, within 30 days of order. Documents required: board and shareholder resolutions, amended MOA and AOA, stamp duty payment proof, investor agreements, if issuing to new shareholders. SH4, if shares are transferred. Avoid these penalties: SH7, MGT 14 delay, RA1 $1,000 plus R500 per day. Non-amendment of MOA, AOA, rejection of funding or legal delays, late PAS 3, filing, investor disputes or MCA notices. Why choose Filings Corner? Expert team of CAs, CSs, and legal advisors, precise drafting and filing, resolutions, MOA, AOA, SH7, and more. 100% MCA compliance. No rejections, no delays. Hassle-free process. We handle it all so you don't have to. Affordable and transparent pricing. No surprises, only solutions. Let's expand your capital with confidence. Whether you're bringing in investors or planning future fundraising rounds, Filings Corner is your trusted compliance partner. Visit www.filingscorner.com or call us today for a free consultation. Filings Corner, empowering business compliance, one filing at a time.